Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all well. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this really cute fruit salad bracelet, which is very cute. So in the previous few videos we've been making all the fruits for this, so if you haven't seen them then it's kind of essential that you do if you want to make this bracelet, so go back and watch those first. So to make this you're going to need all your fruits that you made in the previous videos. I made like 2 or 3 of each kind. You'll also need some green seed bead size 11 or whatever colour you want to be like the band of the bracelet. You need your beading thread and needle and your clasp, and that's everything. So let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is lay all your fruits out in the kind of order that you want to pick them up in. So I've done that here, and then I'll just pick them up one by one in this order as we go. Okay, so we're going to pick up 4 of your green beads and slide those down. I'm going to leave about 7 or 8 inches on my tail thread this time, so that I've got enough to add the clasp at the end, and then sew up through the first bead to create a right angle weave unit like that. And now I'm going to sew through the next 2 beads so that I'm coming out opposite my tail thread. Okay, so I have this. So now I'm going to pick up 2 green, followed by my first fruit, and I'm going to pick that up using the little single green bead that's on the top of all of them, apart from the bananas, and you just go through the brown bead on the top of those. Like that. Now we're coming out of this side, we're gonna go around and go through the other side like that. So you have this, and now I'm gonna move through 2 green beads to get to this side. And when you pull that down, make sure all the way along this that you keep it pulled really tight, like that. Okay, now you're gonna pick up 3 green, and coming out here you're going to go into it on the other side and then move through 2. Like that. Okay, now we're going to pick up our next fruit, so we're going to pick up 2 green, followed by our next fruit, so mine is this little berry, and go back into that next back into the bead that we're coming out of, sorry, on the opposite side. Make sure it doesn't get twisted like mine did. Okay, and then travel through the next 2 beads. So now we're going to add another little right angle unit, so picking up 3 green and going back into that one you're coming out of on the opposite side. Remember to keep this pulled tight all the time because it's going to keep trying to come undone. And then travel through 2. And pull it tight. So we've got this. Now we're going to pick up our next fruit. So same thing every time. So pick up 2 green, followed by your fruit, a banana, and go back into that bead that we're coming out of on the opposite side. Oops, pull that all the way down and then travel through 2 green beads, pull it tight. Okay, now we're going to add another little right angle unit. So that's what you're going to do all the way along until you've picked up all your fruits. So once you've gone all the way along, it should look something like this. So to attach the clasp, from where you finish, you want to make sure you finish on the extra like group that's not got a fruit attached. So I'm just going to do that. So picking up 3 and adding that final group. Like that, and then I'm going to pick up 1 green followed by my clasp and one more green, and then going back into that bead that I'm coming out of but on the opposite side, like that. Now going through all of that again a couple of times to make sure it's really secure, and then what you're going to do is thread your needle onto your tail thread at the other end and do the same thing with the other half of your clasp, and then you just need to tie your knots. So I'm just going to tie one here for you to see. So take your needle under these threads and make sure you catch the threads like that. Pull that down until you have a small loop and then go through the loop 2 times. I don't know why it won't focus. There we go. And then pull that down until you feel the knot tighten, and then travel away from the knot. Then you can tie as many as you want all the way down and then cut your thread, and do the same with the other side. And that is the bracelet all finished. So this is what it looks like. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and this whole series of making all these fruits, and you're able to make one of these. I'd love to see photos of it. If you do, you can share them with me on Instagram at Beaded by Hannah, and follow me over there as well. You can comment down below what videos you'd like to see next coming up for the summer, and like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you next time. Bye.